Imagine this. You've got the perfect email flow in Klaviyo, but then realize, oh crap, the trigger is all wrong. Don't worry. I'm Eric from Strategy Email, and I'm here to help you fix the issue. I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily change the trigger in a Klaviyo flow. Let's dive right into it. On the left-hand side, we're going to click on Flows. On the right-hand side, we're going to click the three dots, and we're going to click on the word Clone. We're going to call this Clone Flow 1. I'm going to click on Continue. I'm going to call this clone name as Clone Flow 2. And then instead of it being email list, which was the original trigger, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and say unopened test 1. So anytime that anybody is added to unopened test 1, this will trigger the clone. Click on Clone Flow, click on Got It, click the X, click on Clone Flow 2, and now the flow trigger is when someone is added to unopened test 1 as opposed to the entire email list. Once we're happy with that, assuming we don't want to make any other changes, we can click on Review and Turn On in the upper right hand corner, and then I'm going to change this to a live status. Click on the word Turn On, and there we go. We've just gone ahead and changed the trigger for a flow. One thing to keep in mind is that to clone a flow, the flow has to be in a live status. You cannot clone a draft flow. That was pretty painless. If you found this video helpful, hit the link in the video description below to sign up for my free email newsletter, where I send tips, tricks, and other strategies to help you improve your conversion rates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.